How to set different notification sounds for different Gmail accounts. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how you can set different sounds for different Gmails. So let's get started. First thing that you want to do is first open your Gmail app, and here you want to tap on the hamburger icon on the top left corner. Then if you scroll down, you will see the settings menu right here. And here you will see a list of all of your accounts that are in your device. So what you want to do is just select the account that you want to change a notification. So just tap on the account. And after this, if you scroll down, you will see notification sounds. Tap on it. And here it is a default sound right now, but if you want to change it, tap on see more. And from here, you can choose a different sound. Similarly, if you just go back and select a different email, then what you can do is just select a different email right here, and then you can scroll down, tap on notification sounds, tap on sounds and see more. And from here, you can tap on the sound, then choose a different sound from here. And that's how you can set different sounds, notification sounds for different Gmails. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.